This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore deleted files on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Mac computers and iPhone are some of the most widely used devices nowadays. Millions of people use them in everyday activities because Apple's products are one of the most reliable on the market, known for their long life and bug-free OS. For that reason, Mac is widely preferred and used by individuals all ages. We store our precious information on this computer and phones like photos, videos, documents, and sensitive private information. A big part of our life is on this device. Unfortunately, using them carries risks related to hardware failures, accidentally deleted files, cyber threat, and natural disaster, which can lead to lost files from Mac device. So what if you just accidentally delete your important files on your Mac and you don't know how to restore it? It's so simple actually. So first, if you just accidentally delete files on your MacBook will save your deleted files on the trash. So you can just open your trash on your MacBook, and here you can find the trash on your dock. But if you can't find trash, you can just search on your Spotlight on your MacBook, like this. And you can just open the trash. And here, open the trash. So here's all the deleted files will be stored, will be saved. And after 30 days, all these files will be permanently deleted. So make sure you can check your trash to see if there's an important files that you want to restore. So if you want to restore the files from your trash, you can just choose on the files that you want to restore. Maybe for example this one. Now you can click on the three dots over here, and you'll find there is an option put back. You can just click on that. So these files will be back on your Finder on your MacBook, as you can see. So here's on the trash, you can, if you want to restore all of this, all the files on your trash, you can just click on here. There's an option put back, so all the files, all the deleted files on your MacBook will be restored and back to your Finder files. It's so simple, right? So that is how to restore deleted files on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!